Why is nobody talking about mastering Bybit Futures with the right winning strategies for massive gains? Why is nobody talking about that? But anyway, in this video, I'm going to actually outline one of the best strategies that you can use for your Bybit Futures trading that can guarantee you profitable wins in the long run. Now, how does this work? We'll dive into my video right now, my screen, and show you just what you need to do to become a profitable trader trading Bybit Futures. Now, this is my account, and this coin is called Milk USDT, and I'll be making the analysis right here on Bybit. So stick around to the very end of this video. And if this is your new or first time watching MJ Crypto on YouTube, this is what we do here. We test proven strategies that works, over 80% win rates, and we publish it here. So subscribe, click on the notification button, and let's get into the video. So I'm going to actually put this on a maximized plane right here on my Bybit app or my Bybit desktop, and I will show you how I got into this amazing trade, guys. I'm going to show you right now. So what time frame is this? This is 15 minutes time frame. I would have to take this to 4 hours so that you see it for what it truly is. All right, you're going to see this strategy for what it truly is. This is real time. This is not back test. This is real time. You can see it's a real time trade, and we're already in this trade already. Now, I'll expand this and show you just how it is. Now, so this is 15 minutes time frame. This is 4-hour time frame, rather. So what do I want to do here? I want to plot the low and high of this particular trade. Did we get a low and high? Good, we got it. So I'll come here, select this, my horizontal ray, plot it at the very low. Now, how do I know that is the low? Because this is the lowest price went to before price got up to this point. So we have a break of structure, right? Good. So there's a break of structure here. So I'm just going to put this as BOS, right? We're going to put this as BOS. I have a break of structure already. And the next thing we want to do right now is to, this is our range. I can extend this here, which is perfect. And also extend this here, which is perfect. Now, we want to come down to this level now. This is where the magic happens. This is current price action. So we want to come down to this level. Right, we want to come down to this level and then go over to smaller time frames, check what's going on. So I want to plot this on 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Let's try the 30 minutes first. And let's see what price did from 30 minutes. Now, we want to see a schematic like this. We want to see a schematic like this happening. Just hold on. I'm going to show you right now. I want to see this schematic happening. There's my tool. I need my tool. I need my tool. I don't think they have that here. But anyway, not to worry about that. All right, we got it here. I want to see this happening. Okay, price is coming down. Price makes an equal high, sweeps liquidity from buy side, sticks liquidity from sell side, and then breaks structure. It's a double sweep pattern. So we want to see price sweeping out buyers first, then coming back to take out sellers, and then finally breaking structure. At the bottom of this range, we want to see that happening. right? We want to see this happening. So if you go to 15 minutes right now, it's not a complex strategy. It's very simple. If you go to 15 minutes, we're going to see here this same thing I just showed you now. This same thing I just showed you. The same thing I just showed you is what we have here. Look at this. That's what we have right here. Now look at this. Now guess what happened next? Price broke structure with high momentum. So here is going to be our order block. Let me take this off so it doesn't look very clumsy. So here is going to be our order block. All right, so here's our order block. Just knock this off. I made this trade already. I'm already in profit. I just got in. Here's our order block, and we are anticipating that price would do this, would go up. This is live. I'm showing you the live trade. So in this trade, where's our take profit? Our take profit is going to be somewhere around here. Take profit is going to be here. So imagine the risk to reward for such a trade. This is massive. And let's check what the risk to reward is going to look like. Put our stops here. It should give us a 1 to break of structure was here. It should give us a 1 to 8 or 1 to 9. Good. So this is a 1 to 9 risk to reward. We can actually refine. We could refine this and give us a 1 to 9. 1 to 9 risk to reward. So $100 into this trade is apparently going to give us $900 on this trade. Now you can actually practice this, back test it yourself, ensure that you see this pattern from the bottom of what the low. Now this is a clear indication that smart money is what's entering the market, because they need to sweep both highs and lows before they come into the market to push price further. All right, one love, guys. See you in the next video. Now tell me your challenges that you face while trading. I'm interested. Write in the comment section, and I'm going to make videos relating to that. Share and like this video so that the algorithm can show it to more people, and we can actually get past all of these challenges together. One love. Peace out to you all. Love you all so much. See you in the next video.